Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the video. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on Logitech's Pro Series peripherals. For the keyboard I've got the Pro X TKL in white. For the headphones I've got the Pro X2, and the mouse I've got the Logitech Pro Superlight 2. The packaging is really nice. It comes in this heavyweight and hard case, which is really nice actually. Such good quality from Logitech. Nothing like that. So let's unbox this and see what this looks like. So the keyboard comes wrapped in paper, a little bit of protection, seems like scratch proof paper. As you can see, the keyboard is absolutely stunning, and just in the back it's not all white as well, just slightly at the back here there's a little bit of silver, and the buttons sound absolutely incredible. I'll put it up to the microphone so you can hear what the buttons